Hey, what's up, guy? Welcome to Whitebird Design. This is Michael. So today I want to show you guys that a little improvement, I guess, that I make on the digital multimeter. Um, so normally, when you testing the multimeter, um, let's say you test from the volt, right? You will plug into the terminal volt, and then you would test the battery. Let's just say in this case, which the should read 1.2, right? So and then when you change to the let's say milliamp, you will unplug this, and then you will plug into the amp terminal. So you will and then this it will still read on the amp, but so normally this won't be any problem if you don't use this digital multimeter often. But for my work, like my recent work, I had to constantly change back and forth from the amp to the volt for my in my workplace. So I had to keep repeating this process for like every like minute or so, because I was testing a lot of like the unit. So well, this and then this I come up with this idea that I make this switch right here, so I don't have to go back and forth. It's kind of annoying. So yeah, I'll show you. So you, I had the two terminal right here, one to the one to the amp and one to the volt. So I'll plug one to the amp, one to the volt, and then the com terminal. So when I want to change from let's say volt, so I would switch to volt. This is volt right here, and this is amp. Okay, I will switch to volt. Oh, forget to plug in right here. So this terminal will connect to both of the terminal using this switch right here. So let's go to the volt, and you can see it. Oh, a little bit difficult. It's read 1.2 volt right here, and that go to the volt switch. And then when I want to change to the amp, I will switch into the right side, which is the amp side. So as you can see, it's working perfectly. Uh, so if you can imagine that if this unit had this switch function, now I'll show you switch. So when I turn to volt, this middle pin and the right pin want to connect, and when I go in the middle, both of them don't connect. If I go to the left, it connect from the right terminal to the and right pin to and the middle pin. So that's how I uh, do it. So if you can imagine, this unit had the built-in function, right? Hit the built-in switch, then you wouldn't need this plug anymore. You can have only this plug, the three plug right here, even with only two, right? So if the digital multimeter company out there, like this one is, I had the MS DM or the 1000. I mean, and any brand out there making this multimeter, I mean, they can. I think this great improvement that if they want, they can make it. You just had either the switch built-in, then you had only two plug. It will look like that, and then when you turn the plug, then it just connect to the whatever reading you want to read, right? When you dial, let's say you dial to volt, and then you switch. Let's say you hit a switch from here to volt, and it will go volt, and then if you switch in here to the amp, it will show the amp. So even like with and after making this switch for about like a couple of days using it, I actually thought that even like they can make the digital multimeter without a switch. Okay, it will automatically switch. Okay, you can see when I roll the die, right, the direction is moving. So they can have the built-in that from up, let's say from up here, when they turn to volt, you can have two plug in here, two terminal, and then let's say this volt gonna connect to this terminal, and then comms already be a comm anyway. And then when this, let's say see the M, then I mean the die had changed now. You see, from this side to this side. I mean they can using that to change the basically to turn connect the M terminal to over here, right? So I mean this is pretty old design for now. This I've seen this design for a long time already. This is old design. I mean with that idea, I think you can just 2023 already, you can make the digital multimeter without the two terminal. You can just with two, and then when it switch, it should automatically change to whatever function that you want. I mean it's just seem if you look right here, the volt and the ohm actually the same terminal, right? So they had the same connection. So yeah, it just right here. I mean, very basic design. I mean, it's nothing special, but it's help you a lot if you do like the a lot of back and forth for the volt and the amp. I should say the milliamp, not the amp, but milliamp and microamp. Yeah, if you want to make, it's right here. Just simple three-way switch. I think that's what they call it. Bottom on eBay for like $5, whatever. I don't remember. It's very cheap. I mean that's how I do it. And then this reason that that turn that I mixed, and then it turned solid now. But yeah, just want to show you. So if you want to make this the same thing, you can just make it. I actually covered it so I cannot plug them in on accident. So yeah, just want to show you this, and yeah, just let me know what you think. And yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a nice day. Thanks. Bye.